2 minus 6 gives us negative 4. Again, here we have 2 minus 6, which gives us negative 4. And negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to 16, because negative times negative is positive, and the answer is going to be positive 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, I am going to write here. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve in equation is parentheses, and then exponent, and then at third multiplication and division, and at last addition and subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. Multiplication should be solved before subtraction, right? So we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction in this problem. So let's solve the problem together. So here we have to do the multiplication first. So 6 times 2 gives us 12. And 2 minus 12 minus 6 is going to be the next equation. And 2 minus 12 gives us negative 10. And negative 10 minus 6 is negative 60. So the final answer to this question is negative 60.